Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I did this everyday office makeup look which is asked by my very dear friend. So I thought to do it and share it with you guys. It's super simple, easy and quick. You don't need a lot of time to do it. Also, it's very simple and easy. So even if you don't know how to do makeup, you can do it too. So keep watching and let's get started. So before starting my makeup, I'm gonna moisturize my face. I'm using this Clinique Moisture Surge. After moisturizing my face, I'm using this lip balm from Nykaa's Really Kisser Lip Balm. So after prepping my skin, I'm gonna start with my makeup. The first product I'm using is this. It's from L'Oreal. It's a primer. So primer helps to soothe your skin and to make your makeup long last. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the base. It's from Color Bar. So after applying my base, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my under eye, and I'm using this NYX 3-step sculpt palette in the shade medium. So it's a powder based concealer. It's super light and doesn't feel heavy on the under eyes. So after concealing my under eye area, I'm going to go ahead and use loose powder. So loose powder helps to mattify your base because throughout the day you might get shiny. So coming to the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use this matte brown shade all over my eyes. So if you don't have the time in the morning, you can definitely skip this step, but I'm just showing you how you can quickly do your eyes using just a single shade, and matte brown is always a good option. So I'm applying it all over my lids and on my crease line and under my eyes. So applying it under your eyes gives a defined eyes. So next step, I'm gonna go with this Color Bar pencil. It's super pigmented and lasts long. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my lash line to give it a little smoky look. After applying it, I'm just gonna smudge it with a brush. I'm gonna curl my lashes. It helps to look eyes brighter and more awake. Just to complete my eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and use the mascara. It's from Makeup Forever. So some people don't use mascara on their low lash line, but it's highly recommended because it helps to open up your eyes. Coming to the brows, I'm gonna use this brow pencil from L'Oreal. It's Brow Artist. Just frame your face, so I recommend to spend a few more minutes to fill it in. Coming to the cheeks, I'm using this Maybelline Master Flush Creator Blush. It's a dual blush. So for the daytime, it's very natural. Coming to the last step, I'm gonna apply this Color Bar Matte Me As I Am pencil. It's nude, but it has some pink tint in it. So this was the final look which I have created for you. So I hope you all like it, enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Meet you next time. Bye.